Bridgend itself is classed as a deprived area. I coordinate a project called the Junior Apprenticeship Programme. So the Junior Apprenticeship Programme was set up in 2017 to all 9 comprehensive schools to give pupils of the age between 14 to 16 a pathway in vocational education as opposed to mainstream education. The programme was set up originally with hair and beauty and construction. Alongside doing their vocational pathway, we offer maths, English and numeracy. So all pupils will have the potential to leave us with 5 GCSEs at the end. So currently we have 65 learners on the programme. 78% of them are currently free school meals. We've got a lot of deprived learners on this course. They haven't had the opportunities and experiences that some other pupils within the borough may have had. So we try to provide them with educational trips, guest speakers. We make sure they're all supported in the classroom with a specific learning coach. So the role of a learning coach is each group has their specific learning coach, which provides consistency, trust, which is massive on this programme. You know, it wouldn't have been successful without the relationships and the trust that we get to build with these learners. They are key members of staff for us. These students are very vulnerable. They come with complex needs. So we have to provide them with people that they trust. It's about building relationships. So each group get a specific learning coach, and their role is to tackle behaviour, to support the class, to support the learning, but mainly is to support the learners in being happy, feeling safe, feeling contented, and the main thing is consistency. We believe that by creating that trust, seeing us in a different light, so the enrichment programme for us, so the 2 weeks at the end of the summer term, so we try and provide as many different trips and team building exercises, cooking classes, self-defence classes, health and wellbeing classes. It's given them a rounded, so we're trying to make them a rounded pupil. Predominantly, it's about the experiences and giving children experiences on life. Some pupils have never been on a school trip. They've never left the county. For example, we've taken learners to a beach and their drawers have dropped. They've never been to a beach.
The spend for us is really for post-16 vocational pathways. It enables us to let our learners experience educational pathways that they maybe wouldn't have in school. So that's things like construction, hair and beauty, health and social care. So it really enables our learners to experience education within workshops with tutors who are experts in their trade. We look to kind of fund the equipment around that, so they don't need to worry about uniforms, they don't need to worry about things like steel toe cap boots, they don't need to worry about things like calculators for classrooms, pens, paper. We provide all of that through the funding, and that means ultimately that they can just come here, then they just do what they need to do, and we'll worry about the rest. So when the learners come to college, we want them to experience education like any further education learner would. So they come in, they are within the curriculum areas, and it's all about them experiencing education that is very different to a secondary approach. The tutors that they come across are quite often industry experts. They've either just come from industry or still actually active in industry. So they're being taught by people who are from the construction industry, who have got businesses in construction or have their own hair salons. So they're taught by people who absolutely understand the areas that they're going into. So the reason that we put so much emphasis on this project is because we genuinely believe that there are different routes for people. We really encourage that the families have a close relationship with us as a department. This funding enables us to not just support the children, but also in terms of the parents. So it takes a certain financial burden off the parents because the things like transport are supported, the uniforms are supported.
We currently have obviously 30 learners that are going on to further education and 4 learners that are going into employment. That is massive. It's about giving them the life experiences and choices to know that there is life outside of Bridgend, there is life outside of your school.